Hello friends, today we are talking about the system services and run levels. So, what is the meaning of run level? It is nothing but the state of the system, we can say. And system services, so many services we require to run the Linux operating system, and on the basis of that we can execute the things properly. After finishing with RCC CNET script during the bootloading process, the INIT command uses Linux initialization table, which is found in the etc directory, to boot the Fedora to a specific system state. Sometimes run level is also called as system state, and RCC init is the mother script where we are initializing the system. When this script is get booted, so many services are running in the background which helps Linux to perform or to execute the things. The state of system is commonly referred as run levels, as we just talked about. System state is called as run level. Now, run level determines which of the many available system services are started, and as well as in which order they start. A special run level is used to stop the system, and special run level is used for system maintenance. Now we are having various run levels, and various run levels are configured with some special kind of services. Say every run level determines which service should get start when the run level starts, and in which order they should start, that is also get configured. That is the lookout of the configuration file. Some specific run levels or special run levels are used to start the service or start the system or stop the system, or sometimes some special run levels are used for system maintenance also. So the Fedora run levels are defined for Fedora system in the etc directory, that is INIT tab. This is the initialization table present in the etc directory. We know that all the configuration files are present in the etc directory. In this initialization table, all the initialization parameters are get configured according to the definition of run levels. Each run level tells the initialization command that what services to start or stop. As we discussed that for every run level or state of Linux, we are having different services. Although run levels might all have custom definitions also, that is again depend upon the situation. In Fedora we are having some standard run levels, that is run level 0. First run level is run level 0, which is known as halt. This run level is used to shut down the system. Run level 0 is used to shut down the system, also called as halt. Run level 1, which is a special run level, which is also defined as a single, which boots Fedora to root access shell prompt, where only the root user may logged in, and networking, X Windows system and multi-user access is turned off. Sometimes it is also called as a maintenance level. Second run level, which defines that Fedora is booting into the console or text-based mode with multi-user access. So this run level is having a text-based mode and multi-user access. Run level 3 is very identical to run level 2, except that it also starts networking services. networking services are not available in run level 2, but it is available in run level 3. The next is run level 4, which is undefined level or state. It can be configured to boot Fedora to a custom system state. So this is a customization kind of part. We can customize this state according to the user requirement. Run level 5 next is this run level is very important run level for a general user, because in this run level Fedora boots to a environment where we are having a networking access, multi-user access, and graphical user interface or accession. This is most common run level for all home users who wants a graphical user interface. So run level 5 is, you can say, the graphical user interface with multi-user access, networking, and all the resources provided to a common user. Run level 6, this run level is used to reboot the system. So in this run level we are executing two run level, that is 0 for shutting down the system, and run level 6, that is rebooting the system. Thank you.